Stewie, I've had hiccups for like 10 minutes. Make them stop.
I could, but first, do you even know what a hiccup actually is?
My body being annoying.
Close. There's a muscle under your lungs called the diaphragm. It helps you breathe. Sometimes it gets irritated and spasms.
So what's making that weird sound?
Sudden spasm sucks air in fast. Your voice box snaps shut like a trapdoor. The hiccup sound is literally air smacking into your closed throat.
Great. So I'm basically choking myself from the inside. How do I stop it?
Hold your breath for 30 seconds. It builds up carbon dioxide, which calms your diaphragm down.
If that doesn't work.
Drink water slowly or have someone scare you. Both reset your nervous system. It's like turning your diaphragm off and on again.
What do you think is the best way to cure a hiccup? Drop it in the comments below.